Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the Realme announced a new mid-range smartphone. The Realme C25 is official with a massive 6000 mAh battery. Realme Indonesia introduced the latest addition to their brand lineup. Meet the new Realme C25. It's an affordable handset with a Helio G70 chipset, 3 cameras, and a big battery with a reasonable quick charging. The phone has a 6.5-inch LCD of HD plus resolution at the front with 8 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera sitting inside a water drop notch. The fingerprint scanner made its way to the back. Next, right to the main camera bump setup. Realme C25 Square Iceland hosts a 48 megapixel f1.8 main snapper and 2 megapixel f2.4 macro shooter and a 2 megapixel 2.4 black and a white sensor. The 6000 mAh power cell is a key selling point of the Realme C25. It's come with 18-volt charging, and Realme Indonesia was really proud to announce its safety was certified by TUV. Handed the entire level handset will ship in Android 11 and Realme UI 2.0 right out of the box, becoming the first phone outside China to do so. Realme is offering the phone in a two-color, water blue and a water gray, and a 2 memory option, 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage, and a 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. There is also a micro SD card slot along a card tray, which also has a room for a 2 SIM cards. The price of the entry level Realme new C25 start from a $160 with the first sales scheduled for a March 27 and a 10% discount for a all early birds. The phone will be available at the Realme Indonesia website and a it. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this new mid-range smartphone from Realme, and also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.